Global powerhouses versus American muscle. Two completely different philosophies have dominated performance culture for decades. One side relies on precision, balance, and advanced engineering, while the other believes raw horsepower and brutal force solve everything. When these worlds collide, the result is always unforgettable. 10. Nissan Skyline GTRR 33. Raw American muscle usually relies on massive engines and brutal force. But cars like the Nissan Skyline GTRR 33 proved there was another way to dominate performance. Instead of focusing purely on horsepower, the R33 built its reputation through precision, balance, and technology. It looked clean and controlled compared to loud muscle cars, yet underneath the surface was a machine engineered to attack corners and high-speed roads with incredible confidence. Its advanced Atessa all-wheel drive system constantly adjusted power between the wheels, giving the car unbelievable grip in situations where traditional rear-wheel drive muscle cars struggled. A 2.6-litre twin-turbocharged RB26 inline-six engine powered the GTR, officially rated around 276 horsepower and approximately 271 pound-feet of torque, though many believed the real output was much higher. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds, reach a top speed near 156 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,400 pounds. But what really changed people's perception was how usable the performance felt. The car stayed stable, predictable, and incredibly capable even when pushed hard, creating a driving experience that felt technical instead of chaotic. This wasn't about overpowering the road with brute strength. It was about mastering it through engineering. And that difference in philosophy is exactly what made the Skyline GTR such an important rival to traditional American muscle. 9. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. Violence on four wheels usually comes with compromises, but this machine embraced that chaos completely and straight-line dominance above everything else. It doesn't care about subtlety or precision engineering tricks. Its goal is simple: launch harder than almost anything else on the road. The rear tires fight for grip, the front end lifts under acceleration, and the supercharger whine makes the entire experience feel mechanical and raw instead of refined. Under the hood sits a 6.2-litre supercharged Hemi V8, producing up to 1,025 horsepower and approximately 945 pound-feet of torque. It can explode from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 1.66 seconds, reach a top speed near 215 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,280 pounds. Unlike many global performance cars that focus on balance and control, the Demon 170 feels intentionally excessive. Everything about it is built around overwhelming force and drag strip performance. Driving it doesn't feel calculated or surgical. It feels wild, loud, and almost uncontrollable in the best possible way. And that unapologetic brutality is exactly why American muscle still carries such a unique identity in the performance world. 8. Toyota Supra A80. Legends aren't always created by factory numbers. Sometimes they're built by the tuning culture that grows around them. Instead of relying on huge displacement engines, it earned respect through engineering potential. Tuners around the world discovered that this car could handle massive amounts of power without falling apart, turning it into one of the most modified performance cars ever built. Its rounded body shape also helped separate it visually from the sharper, more aggressive muscle car designs of the time. The Supra looked smoother and more aerodynamic, almost as if it had been designed with high-speed stability in mind from the beginning. At the center of it all was the legendary 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged 2JZ inline-six, producing around 320 horsepower and approximately 315 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.6 seconds, reach a top speed near 177 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,450 pounds. But stock performance only tells part of the story. The real reason this car became iconic was how easily enthusiasts pushed it far beyond factory limits. 4-digit horsepower builds eventually became common in the tuning scene, And that limitless tuning potential is exactly why the A80 Supra became a global performance icon. That flexibility gave the Supra a completely different personality compared to American muscle cars. Instead of brute force straight from the factory, it offered a platform people could evolve into almost anything they wanted. Precision like this completely changes how speed feels behind the wheel. 7. Ford Mustang GTD. Track-focused engineering rarely mixes with classic muscle car identity this successfully, but the Mustang GTD changes that completely. For decades, American muscle cars were known mainly for straight-line speed. The Ford Mustang GTD takes a different path, transforming the Mustang into something much closer to a European-style supercar. Its aggressive aerodynamics, massive rear wing, and race-inspired suspension system immediately show that this isn't a traditional street-focused muscle car anymore. Every part of the car is shaped around grip, stability, and high-speed control. A 5.2-litre supercharged V8 powers the GTD, producing around 800 horsepower and approximately 664 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3 seconds, reach a top speed beyond 200 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,900 pounds. What makes it interesting is the way it delivers performance. Instead of relying only on brute acceleration, the GTD focuses heavily on handling balance and track capability, something older muscle cars often struggled with. Driving it feels more precise and disciplined than chaotic, showing how far American performance engineering has evolved over the years. And because of that evolution, the Mustang GTD stands as proof that modern American muscle can compete with global performance machines on far more than just power alone. Drop a comment if this caught your attention. The next machine proves American muscle can evolve too. 6. Mazda RX-7FD. Lightweight balance can sometimes create a driving experience more memorable than raw horsepower ever could. The Mazda RX-7FD followed a very different philosophy. Instead of massive engines and heavy bodies, Mazda focused on keeping the car compact, agile, and incredibly responsive. Its flowing design also gave it a softer and more aerodynamic appearance than many aggressive muscle cars of the same era. Pop-up headlights and smooth curves made it feel fast without needing oversized bodywork or dramatic styling. Rather than using pistons like a conventional engine, Mazda equipped the car with a unique 1.3-litre twin-rotor, twin-turbo rotary engine, producing around 276 horsepower and approximately 231 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds, reach a top speed near 156 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 2,800 pounds. That lightweight chassis completely changed how the car behaved on the road. Steering felt sharp, cornering felt effortless, and the entire driving experience and that unique rotary-driven personality is exactly why it remains one of the most beloved Japanese performance cars ever created. The RX-7 demanded a different kind of respect from drivers, one based on smooth control instead of brute force. 5. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 X-Assist. Subtlety disappeared the moment machines like this entered the conversation. Everything about it feels exaggerated on purpose, louder, faster, and far more aggressive than what most performance cars even attempt to be. Unlike many global sports cars that carefully balance power and refinement, the X-Assist focuses on delivering overwhelming acceleration with an attitude that feels almost intimidating. The sound alone makes it clear this machine was never designed to stay quiet. At its core sits a 6.2-litre supercharged V8, producing around 1,000 horsepower and approximately 966 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.1 seconds, reach a top speed near 217 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 3,900 pounds. That level of output transforms the car into something brutally fast in a straight line, but there's still enough chassis control to keep it surprisingly capable at higher speeds. The engine dominates the experience, constantly reminding the driver just how much force is available under the throttle. And that obsession with outrageous power is exactly what keeps American muscle cars so different from the more calculated approach of many global performance machines. Massive horsepower becomes a completely different experience once control starts disappearing. 4. Honda NSX-NC1. Technology changes performance completely when it's used to enhance control instead of just increasing power. Rather than relying on huge engines and raw aggression, Honda engineered a system where electric motors and gasoline power work together to create precision and balance. Its styling reflected that philosophy too. The body looked sharp and modern, but everything served a functional purpose. Airflow, cooling, stability, and efficiency all shaped the design instead of pure intimidation. Power came from a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined 573 horsepower and approximately 476 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.9 seconds, reach a top speed near 191 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,878 pounds. What made the NSX special wasn't just speed. The hybrid system constantly adjusted power between the wheels, making corner exits feel smooth, controlled, and incredibly precise. Instead of fighting the driver with brute force, the NSX worked alongside them, almost predicting inputs before they happened. And that advanced, technology-driven approach is exactly what separates many modern global performance cars from traditional American muscle philosophy. 3. Shelby GT 500. Noise, vibration, and pure supercharged force. Few machines represent American muscle culture more clearly than this. The Shelby GT 500 doesn't try to hide its aggression behind complicated technology or refined driving manners. Its wide stance, large front grille, and muscular proportions instantly separate it from the cleaner, more aerodynamic look many global sports cars prefer. This machine is built to dominate attention before it even moves. Under the hood sits a 5.2-liter supercharged Predator V8, producing around 760 horsepower and approximately 625 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.3 seconds, reach a top speed near 180 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,170 pounds. Unlike lighter Japanese or European performance cars that focus heavily on precision, the GT 500 delivers speed with overwhelming force. Acceleration feels brutal, the exhaust sounds aggressive, and the entire experience stays loud and dramatic. Yet despite all that power, modern suspension and aerodynamic upgrades allow the car to remain surprisingly stable at higher speeds. What keeps the GT 500 such an important symbol of American horsepower culture? If you like machines like this, hit like, because the next car focuses on lightweight balance instead of brute force. 2. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9. Rally-bred performance creates a completely different personality from traditional muscle cars. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9 wasn't designed around huge engines or intimidating size. Instead, it was engineered to stay fast in difficult conditions: tight corners, rough roads, rain, gravel, and high-speed directional changes. That purpose shaped everything about the car. The aggressive hood vents, rear wing, and sharp body details, they existed because the car came directly from rally-inspired engineering philosophy. A 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 286 horsepower and approximately 289 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds, reach a top speed near 155 miles per hour, and weighed roughly 3,260 pounds. But numbers never fully explained why the Evo became legendary. The advanced all-wheel drive system and razor-sharp handling allowed the car to attack corners with incredible confidence, often outperforming more powerful machines on technical roads. And that rally-focused philosophy is exactly what made the Evolution 9 one of the most respected global performance cars ever built. 1. Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. Luxury and American muscle rarely blend this naturally. But the CT5V Blackwing manages to combine both without losing either identity. Instead of relying purely on straight-line aggression, it delivers speed with far more control, refinement, and confidence, while still keeping that unmistakable American V8 character alive. Visually, it balances sharp executive styling with subtle performance details. Yet the widened stance, aerodynamic elements, and aggressive exhaust note make its intentions obvious the second the engine starts. Power comes from a 6.2-litre supercharged V8, producing around 668 horsepower and approximately 659 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.4 seconds, reach a top speed near 205 miles per hour, and weighs roughly 4,123 pounds. What truly makes the Blackwing impressive is how complete the experience feels. It's brutally fast in a straight line, surprisingly capable through corners, and comfortable enough to function as a daily luxury sedan at the same time. Unlike many traditional muscle cars that focus entirely on raw force, this machine proves American performance can also feel polished and sophisticated without becoming boring. The CT5V Blackwing stands as one of the strongest modern answers to global performance rivals. Horsepower numbers may look impressive on paper, but machines like these prove personality matters just as much. Whether it's calculated precision or raw American aggression, every car here delivered performance in its own unforgettable way. Drop your favorite in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content like this.